y'all doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire, and today I'll be showing you how to bake cupcakes. So without much further ado, let's get started. For our cupcakes, you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of margarine. If you don't have margarine, you can use butter. We'll need 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, baking powder. We'll use 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let us get started. ready. They are really soft and so delicious. So definitely try this recipe out, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not yet, and give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye guys.